branded. Yo, branded.
How do we pit? How do we? Oh.
You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Making sure that the world is well known that it is her and her alone.
What are you looking at? Excuse me? Excuse me?
Hey.
What can I get for you?
Go!
Guys, stop it.
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
Yeah, I love you.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
I think that just dripped oil right on her face.
I want to drink liquor. I don't like liquor. What the hell's at the game? Oh my.
Gotta get you clean.
It's pistachio ice cream.
Titingnan mo yung guidelines na nung binabasa ko. Let's say, for example, kung private vehicle.
As a crackhead, the first time we introduce you to the cat we have, you're going to actually...
Say yeah!
Yan yung kit sa buti. That.
Imya.
Well, not yet. Roger.
The choice is yours. No, you're not supposed to leave.
I'm not helping you. You're screwed.
Meow. You to me. Meow, 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 ow!
Wait.
Seriously, this cat's a little stupid.
It's my little baby. We're besties.
She was a fairy.
Hi, baby. Please don't bite me.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Oh, her nail is in my face.
What are you doing?
He's like growling, but
Stop messing with me.
What are you doing?
And that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
Niye bağırıyordunuz ya? Kaç kişiydi de?
Iverson, did you just want us to give up without trying?
Y'all, he closed the cat in the kennel.
I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
Hey, Spicy.